MCIS staff accounts are used by teachers, counselors, and other staff members who manage user portfolios. These accounts allow staff to run reports, send messages, view portfolio contents, assign checklists of activities, and more. Staff accounts can only be created by site administrators. Here's how to create a staff account. Log in to your MCIS administrative account. Hover over the Other Accounts tab and click Add New Staff Accounts. Enter a username, password, first and last name, and email address for the staff member. Passwords must be a minimum of 8 characters, including at least 1 uppercase letter, 1 lowercase letter, and 1 number. Passwords entered into this form are temporary and must be changed by the staff account holder when they first log in. If you want MCIS to automatically email the staff member their login information, make sure to check the Automated box before clicking Add. MCIS will now display the Staff Accounts page, which lists all staff accounts for your site. To add additional staff accounts, just click the Add New Staff Account button and repeat the process.